Banks FX. Lord Banks FX welcomes you to this live stream of live Forex trading. A whole 3 hours of news.
We begin with that wild ride on Wall Street.
You're seeing new record highs on the S&P and NASDAQ.
Interviews.
Some will make money, some will lose money, but that's just the way the markets always work.
Analysis. And live trades. So sit back, lock in, and load up your trading terminals. And let's get this rocket to blast off. Introducing your host, Lord Banks FX. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome. Welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. I've been gone for a little while, guys. I'm sorry. I usually stream London session. I didn't even get to stream my London session today. It's been crazy. But either way, I am here and I am ready. We are actually already in an active trade. I called this out on the Telegram. We're like just a few pips away from hitting our first take profit right there. But yeah, man, I mean, it's been a little hectic for me, guys. I'm sorry. Hopefully some of you guys jump on. I know most of you guys are used to the London session. Had to change it up a little bit. Well, really, I'm just trying to make it up to you guys because I hadn't been on the London session. I was on Monday and then I missed Tuesday and Wednesday. Today's Thursday, and I missed Thursday too. Yeah, this Tuesday was my birthday, and then I was having internet problems, and then I was having internet problems on Wednesday, and yeah, it's just been a little hectic. But anyways, we're in an active trade right now. If you didn't get into this trade, guys, it's because you're not in my Telegram. My Telegram is free. The link is in the bio. We're up about 23 pips right now on gold. It's looking hella nice. I had a phenomenal day yesterday. Record breaking, baby. I hope you guys were able to take the trade I called out on the Telegram yesterday. I actually took that trade, but with a combination of a new strategy I've been working on for a few months that I actually just went live with. Man, like, if you don't know how well I did, go check out my Instagram and you'll see what I'm talking about. It was just amazing. Literally record-breaking day for me. But I wanted to jump on and just kind of see where everybody was at, see how everybody was doing, see if you guys were getting the signals, if you guys wanted me to look at anything. Man, gold is just looking nice. Nice profits right now for gold. I know most of the people that jump on don't jump on in the morning, so we probably won't have that many coming through today. Regardless, I'm here for it. So I don't really want to look at anything else because I'm in a trade, and you know, I'm not going to jump into another trade as well. So this is where I'm at right now. If you guys didn't take this trade, like I said, it was in my Telegram. I sent it out in my Telegram. I know it's probably weird seeing me on the New York session, but we're here for it. Man. Sheesh. We're just being patient here with our trade. It hasn't hit take profit 1, but we're close. We are really close. Our take profit 1 is set at 145, and I mean we're about 6 pips away from that with this candle. But we're moving down. We're moving down. Just gotta give it that room to play. Give it that room to play, and it'll keep pushing down for us. I wonder if any of my people get on for New York session, or if they trade New York session. I know not everybody is about that life. I haven't even been asleep. Like I've been busy all day, and I had to deal with some client stuff and some business stuff, and I didn't even get to trade London session like I wanted to. So this is my attempt to try to make it up to you guys, jumping on for the New York session. Like I said, right now we are in a live trade. We are in gold, and right now we're expecting, I mean, let's look at the news here. We have 7:30 a.m. USD news. This will definitely affect gold. Swiss news at 9, CNY at 9 p.m. That's about it. Just around 7:30 we have that news we have to be aware of. Let's look at the Chinese indicator. US dollars powering through. Looking nice, looking nice. Man, this thing is just like wicking down, pulling up. I think this is probably a result of the session is like pre-New York, so you know it may be reacting to that, but I do fully expect like New York to open and push this down, just based off this trend. So to give you a breakdown here of the entry on this was just a pattern here. Like, you know, I already had this marked up previously. Get rid of all this stuff from the last time that we were trading. Anyways, cleaning up the chart. Looking nice, looking nice. So what we were looking at here is yesterday I caught a massive ass like move on gold. It was, when was it? Yesterday was the it was on the 13th. When was it? Yeah, right here. So like I started selling here, and I kept selling until I caught this move. Boom. And I'm basically trying to kind of replicate that here, because you see this whole correction move right here that pulled back up, and then you see it rejecting, and then fell, and this fell literally around 7-8 a.m. right? So right now 5:45, it's like right here, you know, it may pull up some before it falls completely, which is fine. I mean, it can pull up a little bit, you know, but I do expect rejections up here. You know, if we see price action telling us otherwise, then we'll change it up. But Right now, what it looks like is rejection up here, and that's why I got in. Kind of like a double top, boom, boom, which gives us indication to the downside. Come down and retest this level, the last level it was at, and you know it could easily break this level and continue down. You know, and I mean it could go up too, like it could break right here finally. So we'll just keep watching this. Right now we're in profit. We're like 15 pips in profit. So not a bad deal here. Not a bad deal at all. Pretty good here. But guys, if this is your first time here, I live trade Forex. I live stream trading Forex Monday through Friday. I usually do London session 12:30 a.m. to 3:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. But like I said, I've been out of commission for a little bit, and I'm just trying to make up here for the people that are trying to jump on and trade New York with me. Hopefully everybody's got the notifications on and they got notified that I was going live. Anyways, like I said, right now we're currently in an active trade with gold. We entered right here. Currently in about 10 pips profit, 11 pips profit. We are expecting this thing to move down. This actually is a 4.3 risk to reward ratio, risking 30 pips for 130. So not bad, not bad. Ugh. Like the way that looks. See, we got about 12 minutes on this candle. We're trading based off the 30-minute candle. Just kind of looking at the other time frames. Look like 12 minutes on the hour. Pulling up, which is fine because remember this same time yesterday we had this pull up before it completely melted. So maybe we have a little pull up here before it melts, but this was consolidating before we had this big move. This has just been pushing up. So at the bare minimum, we should get like a nice little correction. Hopefully. We'll see. Market does what it does. We just read and react. Yo, everybody's gonna be like, man, this guy was on New York session. They were probably waiting up for me for London. I didn't even send out a message, man. I was so busy, swamped with stuff. We'll see. I mean, I sent out a message on Telegram that I was going live for New York. I don't know how many people actually got it. Saw it. Maybe a little too early for them. Come on, gold. Got about 10 minutes left on this candle. Man, I missed going live. I hadn't gone live in a while. Well, it's just been like 2 days, yeah. 2 days. I'm a little tired. I haven't slept like all day. And I got like meetings starting at noon. So I'll probably be on for a couple hours, see how this thing plays out. and then call it a day. Alright, this thing is like pushing up. Come on now. Got about 9 minutes left here. Um, like a crazy ass wick right there. What do you guys think? Going up, we're going down. See what the Chinese indicator says. US dollar is coming up with some strength. Already looked at the news. I mean, to me, it looks like a good setup. Good double top setup. Could come down this way. We shall see. What's good, David? Lord Banks, my trading improved drastically since we last spoke. Trading FTSE 100 and what is FTSE? GBP Swiss. I don't know what that is. No losses all week. 30 trades. Damn, that's what's up, bro. Hell yeah. I had a record-breaking day yesterday, man. Like, I called out that gold trade, but I've been using, I've been testing this like scalping strategy to, because I want to like help people with like smaller accounts. And, I mean, it had been going good for a few months, but what I did is I combined that with like, swing type strategy. And man, like I went live with it on my account yesterday, bro. Record breaking day. Like I mean, it was just insane, dude. It was insane. If you want to know what I'm talking about, it's on my Instagram. You can go check it out. Lord Banks FX. It's on my story. And I mean, like, it was definitely a first for me. So I'm just kind of working on that strategy, refining it, because I wanna send it out. Well, I want to do a video over it and then like walk people through it, you know. Oh well. Oh man, this gold, like what the hell? So, the swing portion of it is identifying a like pattern on the 4 hour. Like I was identifying entry based on a pattern and confirmation on 4 hour to like for a long-term move. And then scalping was basically I use a combination of price action and some moving averages to enter multiple positions. Basically what I'm doing is compounding within one trade, like multiple positions compounding like at that same time. Like most of the time when you trade one like setup, and then once you win that trade, then you're looking to compound, right? Or you're in that trade and you hit, like, let's say take profit one and you put your stop loss to break even, or like, so where you're not risking anymore, and then you can consider adding more risk, right? Because like you're no longer risking and you're in profit, and then you can add another position. Well, it's something similar to that. And I mean, it was just insane, dude. Like I can't believe it worked out as good as it did. And I've been like literally using it all day, and back testing different pairs. Like, I mean, it works with any pair, gold. Like, I mean, it's just insane. So basically, like it's like if we identified a 4-hour move, like let's say, when was it? Yesterday. Okay, so I think it was, what time did I call that trade out? And I think, was it here? No. Sure. I had called a sell on gold yesterday. I'm not sure where it was at, but I think it was like right here or something. No, it was too early. Anyways, I had called a sell based on the 4-hour time frame, and then based on the moving averages and the smaller time frame, I was able to scale in multiple positions. So what I'll do is, like, let's say I calculate my risk on the 4-hour, right? It's like I'm gonna risk 30 pips, and I'm only gonna risk 2% of my account. So then I have a certain lot size I can use, right? Let's just say that lot size is 10 lots. So instead of entering in that trade at the 10 lots, I enter one lot. So then I can do 10 positions, right? So as the trade is fluctuating and moving around based on the indicators and the moving averages, I'll enter multiple positions, right? And each one of those are going into profits and becoming risk-free. So it's basically like, once the top is cleared, then I can add another one. So then 10 becomes 11, and then the second one becomes clear, and then it becomes 12, and then like as it moves your way, you're adding. It's insane. Like I have a whole, like, it's like 5 pages worth of like rules and like just testing things that I've been doing, journaling it, so I can like have this strategy like useful for everybody, and like it kind of, like, your win ratio is not going to be good, but your losses are so small that one win, like let's say you take 10 trades, like you were saying you won 30 trades. Like if I took 30 trades, I may only win 3 and then lose 27. So the win ratio is shit. But the thing is that those 27 that I lose were based on a small time frame and using those moving averages. And I mean, it kept my losses really, really small, because the goal is to essentially catch a trend. Like you want to catch a trending move, right? And yeah, I mean, it's just, damn, what the fuck is gold doing? I'm gonna make a video on it, bro, like and I'll show it to you guys so you guys can use it too. because like I need to like show you the indicators and show you the charts, and so you can see how it rolls. Like I've been working on this for the past like 4 months. It's been insane. The only thing with the scalping strategy, like the scalping strategy, I can't really call like signals on that. Like I'll call the signal out on the higher time frame setup, but I can't really tell you how you should be like you gotta. It's like one of those strategies where you have to be watching the chart, you know, and that's why it's like a scalping strategy, you know, because you're like you have to be on the chart watching, because you're looking to see how price is reacting. There's like 4 moving averages, so you need to look at how it's reacting at each one of those. But I mean, it's pretty insane. Come on, gold. What are you doing? 6 a.m., 7 a.m. East Coast. So right now it should be still pre-New York. Still pre-New York. Man, I just want this thing to melt. Come hit my take profit 1. We're still like in 10 pip profits, but yeah, pretty nice, bro. I'm gonna make that video for you guys so you can see it. Probably not today, but hopefully by next week I have it. Oh, and then I have to like, excuse me, I haven't slept since yesterday. Like, I have to travel. Mr. Greenish 27, what's good, bro? Welcome. I'm in New York session today. Yeah, bro, I'm trying to make it up to you guys, man. Like, I've been gone for a couple days, man. My fucking internet's been tripping, and like today my internet was working, but because my internet's been out, like I was kind of backed up on handling some work that I needed to take care of, just report stuff, and like I just been fucking busy doing that. I didn't even get to trade London, so I was like, man, you know what, I'm gonna jump on for New York, see who's awake, see who wants to jump on. Ain't nobody on today. We got like 3 people here. Appreciate it. Yeah, I'm back. I was just telling David about the new strategy that I got. I mean, I've been working on it for a while, and but I just like incorporated some new things to it a couple of weeks ago, and I went live with it yesterday, and it was my birthday, and I had a record-breaking day, and it was just, I mean, doesn't get better than that, man. I mean, it was awesome. Fucking gold, man. What are you doing, bro? Melt. There you go. That's funny. I just had to talk to it for a second. Had to tell it what's up. Come on, baby. Let's go to TP1. Yo, did any one of you guys get this signal? Man, I don't even blame you. You took a break off training. I thought you might. Yeah, happy birthday. Appreciate it, bro. Nah, man. I mean, you know, like, that's that whole psychology shit, bro. Like, I don't let it get to me. Like, I'm excited as fuck because I had a record-breaking day. That was a first for me. I hadn't made, you know, 100K in a day, and doing 100K in a day was pretty phenomenal. Like, I just, you know, I appreciated it. Like, I thank the markets, and, you know, I come back for some more. But, like, I like to stay consistent, because consistency is what pays, bro. Like, if you're like, oh, I trade one day here, one day there, one day there, like, I don't care, like, if I made 6 figures in that day, like, whatever, like, I'm gonna just keep, I want to stay consistent, you know. I don't want to get out of my flow. I don't want to get out of my routine. I don't want to like not look at the charts and then like be gone for a week and then have to like see what's been going on, you know? Like I like to come in, like for gold, I called out this signal. I just jumped in, saw this, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna sell this. Because I had already seen it yesterday that we were rejecting, and falling. So this literally just came back up, corrected, double top, I'm going down, you know? So it was easy. I literally in 5 seconds I was able to call that out. And when I called it out, it was literally closing out right here. Perfect timing. I mean, called it out, sent it out, jumped in, and I mean, here we are. But yeah, man, like I just for the most part like to stay consistent with my trading, no matter if I have a huge day or a bad day or whatever. Like I need to I like to stay consistent, you know. Can't let it get to you, you know. Good or bad, you got to stay in the middle. Keep it the same. Keep the same energy, bro. But yeah, man, I appreciate it, bro. I had a good birthday. Hung out with the fam. Hell yeah. We're gonna make some shit happen, bro. We're gonna make some magic happen, bro. Like I was telling David that I'm gonna put that video together for the strategy that I use for that 100K day. And literally that was my first day going live with it, like on my live account. Like it was insane. You know, I mean, I'm still kind of like in disbelief that I was just, wow. I was like happy when I was at 20K. I was like, damn, this is nice. Like, but it wasn't at my like take profit level. And I was like, man, should I just close it out? Like, I was thinking about it, and I was like, no, I mean, I want it to complete its move, you know? Yeah, and that thing just fucking, it was this right here. Boom. Yeah, because it was this morning. Like I had like a sell and then a sell and then a sell, and like all these were like in profit, and then it came back up here and then just melted in the morning. I woke up like at 7:38, and I saw it and I was like, holy shit, let me close my positions. It was nice. But basically just coming back down here to test this level, you know. And this level is based on a 4-hour, you know, to the 4-hour. So when I jumped on today, you know, I seen a very similar setup where this was up here rejecting this area where it had already rejected multiple times. So, and you know, because it's rejected multiple times, like it's more susceptible to break through it. But like I continue to trade what I see, you know, even if I can bring it down to take profit one, you know, I'll take the 30 pips. Not a bad deal, not a bad deal. Yeah, but that strategy, that's not something like I couldn't call that stuff out on Telegram. Like I can call like the overall big move that I see, you know, because this gives time, you know, like scalping, and you got to be watching on it, like bro, like I jumped down to the minute time frame to look at like my entry stuff, you know, like the setup is on a 4-hour, the overall direction, but because I'm compounding within the setup, I'm on the 1-minute trading. It's crazy. Yeah, so next week also, I don't know how I'm gonna do it because I gotta go. I gotta go visit one of my business ventures out of state, and I'm gonna be in I just got meetings, man. I'm gonna be in meetings like for 3 days, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Well, I'm flying out on Monday, and then I'm be like busy with that Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So I don't know if I'll be able to stream. Like, I still haven't got my laptop. That's dope. Should I enter more positions as it goes up or when it goes down? Nah. So the entries, well, like you talking about like my strategy thing. My strategy is entering more positions as it's going your direction. You know, like, how to explain this? So like if you're entering, like you say you enter here and then it moves your direction on the candle close, you can enter another one, right? But the thing is that you only enter multiple positions when you break your risk up. Like, so if, let's say if I'm risking 2% of my account and the stop loss that I have, I can do a 10.0 lot size, right? So I break that up into 1.0 lots. So then instead of having the full 10 where you are, it's just one. But then as it's going your direction, each closure, and this is on the 1 minute, I'm adding another one, adding another one, adding another one. And as it's going my direction, the top ones are becoming risk-free, right? Because it's coming into profit. The top ones are already in hella profit. So that 10, you're recycling it basically. So by like the end of the time, I mean, I don't know how many lots I had open yesterday, but it was, I mean, it was maybe like 2-3 times my normal. But because I had already established like the risk on that and then scaled in, it's basically like, if I could try to explain, it's like compounding your winning trades, and the ones that are not winning, you get out super quick, super early, so your losses are really small. And like I was telling David, the trade, your win ratio is gonna be shit. Like, you know, it's gonna be maybe like 10% that you're winning. You know, you usually, like with this strategy that I trade live, I have like about an 80% win ratio, 80, 85, sometimes 90. Okay, but that strategy, the 100K a day strategy, you're gonna have like 10% or less. Because the thing is that you're not looking for the winners. Like, we're looking for the losers. I know that sounds kind of counterproductive there, but we're looking for the losers because we want to get out quickly. So we're paying attention to the moving averages, entering and scaling, and just exiting whenever the market tells us, even if it's a quick couple of pips, or if it goes against us a couple of pips, like we're reading what the price is at. Okay, so for example, like, let me see, maybe I can show you on this one. For example, like here, you know, we're gonna see this turnaround here with the moving averages, and we're gonna get in, and each candle's a minute, right? So we're like each candle that is popping up, we're jumping into a position, jumping into a position, jumping in, jumping in, jumping in, jumping in. So then as it's going up into profit, the bottom ones are already risk-free. You're adding on over here. And then as soon as it comes back to test like this, you're going to look at your trading balance. And if this right here is showing you in a drawdown, then you close. But because this move right here, like all these positions, you're not going to be in drawdown right here. So you keep holding, and then it pops back up. And you'll trade this move, and you'll continue to trade this move. This whole move, it stays above this moving average, right? So then it comes and tests, and you'll continue to add on and scale on, scale on, scale on, scale on, scale. You just keep scaling on. You see how it's staying above, and then you'll trade it up until you get back to this main moving average, like right here. So that whole move right here, look right here, 1746, right? So we entered down here at 1730, let's say 1737 to 1746. That's like 90 pips, right? But the thing is, it's 90 pips on multiple positions. By the end of this, you probably have like 50 fucking positions, right? So if I had 50 positions at 1.0 lot size, that ends up taking 90 pips, bro. I mean, that thing is some serious cash. I mean, you saw my Instagram, right? Like, it was insane. But it is a little complicated. Like I said, like, you have to be watching this thing. If you're gonna scale in like that, you have to be watching it. You have to be conscious of where the price is at. You have to be looking at your balance to make sure if it's testing the averages, the moving averages, and you're in drawdown, you got to get out. You know what I'm saying? Like, for example, like if I was to sell right here, right, and it came back up right here to test this moving average, I would get out. You know, this is probably a pip or two, like 3 pips in profit, but I would get out because look, it pulled up. You see that? So you just have to continuously be, and this, you know, I say, okay, it moved and it came down and I got out, but dude, this is 1 minute. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 6 minutes, I jumped in and jumped out. 6 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Should I enter? Oh, or should I not? No, I wouldn't enter any positions just yet, bro. I see you. See, nice. I'm still growing the account, so I'll get to 10 lot size one day for sure, bro. We're eating if that's the case. Hell yeah, man. I mean, even dude, this strategy. The reason I did this, it's for you can use this to flip small accounts. Like, that was my whole thing, because I'm refining this because I'm gonna do the $10 to 1,000 challenge. Like, I can do the $10 to 1,000, but it'll take me like a month, right? But the thing is that I want to do it a lot sooner for people and show you guys, like, do the video, the challenge for that. And in order to do that, I needed to tweak this. And now that I've tweaked it, like, I use it on my real account, like, fucking, just because how things were playing out and the back testing was going good and stuff. And I was like, oh, let me go ahead and just scale that to what my account is. And dude, it just fucking, I mean, it was crazy, bro. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, my plan is, yeah, like I said, to do the challenge for take $10 into 1,000 and see how long it'll take me to do that. I mean, with this strategy, bro, like, you know, maybe a couple of days. I don't think it'll take me even a week, to be honest, to make that happen. But that's the whole reason. Like, I had implemented it, and I went live with it because I don't like the demo gives you false reality, you know? So, like, I like to do the live to be sure. Like, I'll back test and you know, tweak the strategy when I'm back testing it, but when I want to, like, try out the strategy, I'll use my real account, just because you got to have the psychology into it. You know what I'm saying? The psychology is the biggest fucking part. You know what I'm saying? Like, this whole shit, bro, like, being able to see the tops and the bottoms and whether price is going up or down, that's easy, bro. That's cake. Anybody can do that. But being able to hold drawdown, being able to have the fucking courage to jump in. You know, some people, like, second guess themselves so much they miss their entries. You know what I'm saying? Like, and some people are so scared of missing out on an opportunity that they chase trades and they lose, you know? So, I mean, it's just a lot, dude. But, I mean, you've seen it. I tested it out. It went great. I had a phenomenal record-breaking day. But it's nothing new, man. I said at the beginning of the month, I was going to have a record-breaking month because it's my birthday month, and I was going to make it happen. And we started a little bumpy with a couple L's, like back-to-back days, but bro, all of that's been wiped out. Like, you know what I'm saying? So I definitely had fun with that one. What's your green line? What MA is that? The green one is 200 MA. I get so thirsty when I'm streaming, talking. I don't usually be talking all the time. Well, not out loud at least, right? All right. Yeah, so right now I am in the, yeah, dude, and I even this strategy, bro. All like any pair, indices, probably even cryptos. I haven't checked cryptos. US 30, oh my god, US 30. Any of these pairs, you just look for the setup. Like if you can identify the setup, which ideally would be like this. Like this right here. So well, no. Because essentially your trade is gonna be from green to green. You see that? Does that make sense, bro? So like if you're buying here, when you get over here, you're exiting the trade, right? So like for gold, if you're buying in here, you would exit right here, right? That's 147 pips. You see that? And 147 pips is already a lot. Just imagine 147 pips with multiple positions to the upside. You know what I'm saying? And that's if you close out here, because really this move came up 380. Oh no, well this is actually 38. Sorry, it's not 147. It's gold, sorry. 38. So this move over here is just 14, like 15 pips. But like I said, 15 pips. Let's say you have 20 positions, and you know, I use the one lot size example for like my account because that's kind of what I'm doing. But you know, let's say your account is way smaller than that. Even if you do 0.1, right? You do 0.1, you have 20 of those, okay? And you take out 15 pips. You have 20.1s, all right? That's gonna be like, what is it, 2 lots? 2 lots, $20, 15, 20 times 15, what is that? 300 bucks, bro. On a small account, cashing out $300 in a day. And here's another thing, that's not even in a day, bro. This right here, let me show you how long this is. This is what I love about it. This whole move was an hour and 41 minutes. Hour 41 minutes, you make 300 bucks. And if you need to go about your business, go about your day, go for it. If you're still trading, you just go look at another pair for a setup. Look, here's another one, boom. Trading it, you keep buying it, it's above here, you keep buying it, 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 boom, comes back down, you can take your profit, comes down, testing the 200, the green line, the green MA, close out. If you would have held, you could have kept buying it, you know what I'm saying, to this point right here. But like I said, it's just like you gotta get used to the way that is, because, and understand, like, you can't let your other ways of trading like seep into this. This is its own thing, because if you do, that'll screw you up. You know what I'm saying? And I don't want you to do that. So just be conscious of that, like, of the fact that, you know, it's not like this stuff is more of pattern trading, breaking out, breakout, retest, like all those other things is different. But anyways, man, I'm gonna make the video so it can be a little bit more clear, and then you guys can go like back and rewatch it as many times as you need, to get what you need out of it, you know. Monster FX was good, fam. What setup is that? It just came up now. This one is a trade I called out on Telegram, like, I don't know, 2 hours ago. And I mean, we came down about 25 pips in profit, and it's pulling up right now, but we're still like 7 pips in profit. And I mean, I'm expecting this shit to push down, because the Chinese indicator, USD, I mean, we're right now in pre-New York. About 30 minutes we got New York open, and then an hour later we got NYSE open. So I expect it to push gold down, and especially because we have rejections, and then falling down to test this bottom level. So I fully expect this to push down. Oh, yo, you know, the you guys remember the GJ trade? Was it on this? It was on GA. The GA trade. You guys remember that? It was look at this. Let me just the GA trade I called out on Telegram that hit our stop loss. Look at this. Our stop loss was like right here. It hit our stop loss, just spiked up, and then fucking melted and hit take profit 1, take profit 2, 3, 4, 5, and melted even fucking further, dude. Like, I just wanted to show you guys that, because I wasn't wrong. I was just too tight on my stop loss. And yeah, we lost like, I think it was like 30 pips on this, 35 pips or something. And I forgot, when did I call this? This was Monday. The 12th? When was the 12th? Yeah, Monday. Yeah, so Monday. I just had the stops a little too tight. I mean, by Tuesday morning, it had already hit take profit 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5. Like, this was 200 pips, guys. But like crazy. Anyways. Oof. Moving down. I want indicators you were using. Oh, the indicators, they're moving averages, bro. They're just moving averages. It's just how you use them that matters. I just like explained the whole thing though. Well, not the whole thing, but kind of like the overview. There's like a lot of information that goes into that strategy. And like I was telling Mr. Greenish, I'm gonna make a video and put it out for you guys, because it's a lot. And I have a Word doc on my desktop here, and it's like 5 pages worth of notes, and I need to make sure, and it has like 16 like high level rules that you need to keep in mind. I mean, it's complicated in the sense that there's a lot of things you got to be paying attention to, but usually when you're scalping, there is, you have a lot of things you got to be like looking at and, you know, aware of. But this strategy, like I said, is like a combination. It uses like a higher time frame setup, like a 4-hour time frame setup, but then you mesh it with the scalping strategy to basically scale in compound positions within the entire move. Like, for example, you know, if this 4-hour here, if I was like, okay, on the 4-hour, we're going to come down to this, you know, we're looking at this may play out in like 2-3 days or whatever, right? But I know overall it's going to move down this way. I identify that on a higher time frame, and then I move down and scale in positions using moving averages and price action, and we scalp the move basically. So, and you probably won't wait for the whole move, but even catching just a small portion of it is ridiculous, bro. I don't know if you have me on Instagram, but I had a record-breaking day yesterday, and I was sharing it with everybody because I had never made that much in a day in my like trading career. I was telling my brother, I was like, man, it took me it was overnight. It was 6 years and overnight to get to that position. But, you know, just joking, because like, I mean, I've been trading for 6 years and I hadn't had that big of a day. You know, I mean, I've had multiple like 10K days and 15K days, and I've even seen 20K days, but like seeing the day we had yesterday was crazy. All right, yo, I gotta step out for a bit. I'm gonna keep an eye out on the trade. I'll catch you later. All right, bro. No problem. I'll be here. I'll be here for a bit, and if I see anything else, I'll call it out on the Telegram. Yeah, if you guys are not on the Telegram, I called out this trade a couple of hours ago on the Telegram. It's free. The link is in the description. You know, I get a lot of messages, people like, oh, do you like do one-on-ones, or like do you charge for any of this stuff? And I'm like, dude, everything's fucking free, bro. Like literally everything. I mean, I come on here, I live trade with you guys, I call out signals and ideas on the Telegram completely free, and everybody that hits me up that has questions, I answer all of them. I mean, on my Instagram, on on here on the lives, and yeah, I mean, like I'm trying to just be able to help as many people as I can. You know, like I've been in the position where, you know, I thought like trading was a scam because I couldn't win. But I mean, those weekly withdrawals are nice, man. Anyways, you know, I try to do what I can and help out the people. I think about like when I was like struggling and wasn't consistent, wasn't profitable. Like, I just wish there was someone that was doing the things that I'm doing. And you know, I said, if I ever get to a point that I'm, you know, consistently profitable, you know, I would do that. You know? Come on, gold. It's about 6:34. New York's about to open in a little bit. We are still in this trade. I wouldn't, if you're not in it, I wouldn't be jumping in or adding on positions right now. That's how I feel like. Bro, let me tell you one thing about quitting, bro. Like, it's okay if you feel that way. It's not okay to act on it. Don't quit, bro. Like, I promise you, like, I don't care how many times you lose. Like, I don't care how many accounts you blow. I don't care, like, if you think it's fake. I don't care if you think it's a scam. I don't care if you don't ever think you're going to be profitable. I don't care if you are, like, have nothing left and can't fund another account. Do what you got to do to keep at it. I promise you, bro. I promise you. Like, I've been there. I've been where you are thinking and feeling that this was just not for me. And now I thoroughly enjoy the markets every day. Even if I take an L, I have a good time trading. I enjoy trading. I look to continuously refine my skill set. And if you don't quit, bro, you will get there. I don't know when. I can't tell you, like, you know, oh, tomorrow or tonight or whatever, but, you know, like, just don't quit, dude. Don't quit. Don't quit. Don't quit. I promise you, you're gonna fucking regret it, because every time you quit, you're gonna have to start over from zero, bro. And that is the worst. That is the worst. What up, champ? How's it going? I'll tell you this. When I started trading 6 years ago, it was like me and a group of buddies. It was like 7, 8 of us, bro. And we were all, you know, super excited, and, you know, we're trying to make this happen. And right now, at this point where we are today, none of them kept it. Dude, half of them didn't last a month. You know what I'm saying? I've been at this 6 years, bro. Like, I'm telling you, I've been at this 6 years, and I just had a record-breaking day yesterday. Like, I'm telling you, do not quit. Don't give up. Don't give up. Like, you just gotta stick with it. Stay on it. You know, if you blow your account, bro, that's unfortunate. You need to become better at managing your risk, better at managing your trade, and so you don't blow your account. Trading is literally all about how many opportunities can you give yourself to find that win that matters, if that makes sense. Like, you can't jump into this thinking, I just need one chance so I can make all the money I need, because I almost guarantee you that one chance that you take is going to be a little bit over aggressive. It's going to be a little bit premature. It's not going to be perfect analysis. It's not going to be, you know, I just showed you guys earlier that GA trade that I had called out on the Telegram that we lost, like, we hit like 35 pip stop loss. Bro, I'm 6 years in, and I missed that by less than 10 pips stop loss. Like, my stop loss was just a little too tight, and I'm 6 years in, but that doesn't stop me. You know what I'm saying? I lost 35 pips on that, and then I turned around and fucking implemented this new strategy that I've been testing for a while, and it had a fucking record-breaking day. Going good, my man. Nice little trade. Oh shit, TP1 hit, baby. Let's go. Let's go. How about that? How about that? How you guys feeling? I hope you guys were in this, man. If you're not in this, you better get in my fucking Telegram, man. I don't know, unless, I don't know what else I could do for you guys other than take the trades for you. But I'm not gonna do that. Hold on, I gotta send out an update. Let everybody know that we hit TP1. Guys, the TP levels, remember, take some action. Whether you're closing partials, taking the whole thing, adjust your stop loss to break even, do something. Do something. You don't want the market to give you money and you give it all back. Okay, just do something. The last thing you want is the market to be giving you money and then it turn around and take it from you. So please do something. Take action. Take profit levels are there for you to take action. Okay. I was doing Bitcoin. Oh, nice little trade. You appreciate it, bro. Yeah, we're about 30 pips in. Nice little setup. Took this early today. I didn't get to trade London. I was busy with a bunch of stuff, catching up because, well, my computer was working, but internet was out. So I've been working on some things, and I finally got a break. I finished everything out, and I haven't even slept. And I was like, fuck it, you know what? Like, why don't I just jump on and see if any of my people jump on for New York session. I know I usually do London, but guys, I'm trying to make it up here. Like I hadn't been on in a couple days. It's been hectic, but I'm here. I'm here trying to make it up, trying to get you guys fed. Got you guys a nice little trade right here. 33 pips in profit right now. And it's moving. We got about 19 minutes before New York open. Take profit 1 to 2 is clean. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's why we got it right there, bro. Yeah, man. I love just the whole experience of trading, you know, just being able to see things. Like, you know, if you're fairly new, you know, it may take you, you know, a few minutes to do analysis and stuff, but once you are doing this for a while, like, you jump in and you just see, like, I usually do clean charts and we'll start from the beginning and all that, but I mean, I was already in a trade, so I just jumped in and turned on the live and let you guys see this thing take profit 1 live. Ooh, man, some ridiculous profits right there, baby. Yeah, so and like I was saying, that strategy that I used to make 100K yesterday, that strategy is really meant for I'm gonna use that to do the $10 to $1,000 challenge, so you guys can, because I want to give you guys something for people that have small accounts, and 10 is as small as you're gonna get, man. Like, I mean, smaller than 10, I mean, I could probably make it happen, but that is challenging, you know. Yeah, bro. I don't know. Are you on my Instagram? I sent it on the Telegram too. The pictures, I mean, record breaking, bro. Yo, but I told you guys at the beginning of the month of April, I said, we're having a record breaking month. It's my birthday month. We're having a record breaking month. And you know what's crazy, man? Like, every April, for at least the last 4 years, I've been like, I have really good months of April. Like, really good. So what sucked is that, like, when we started April, we had that week where we had like back-to-back L's, you know. Oh, Coinbase. Yeah, you talking about the IPO? Yeah, I don't I wasn't gonna buy any of that. I have like stocks. I have particular stocks that I invest in, and I just value investment. Like, it's the same ones. I put the same amount of money every week. I buy the same stuff, and you know, I'm playing the long-term game, and I don't pay attention to all the other stuff. The cryptocurrency, I do the same thing. I don't trade cryptocurrency, but I do invest in it. And I have the only ones I invest in is Bitcoin and XRP. I know a lot of people were hitting me up and telling me, "Hey, look at Dogecoin and buy some of this, and look at that and buy some of that." But I don't. I mean, you know, I stick to what I know, man. I don't know what to say. Like, I stick to what I know. I made 40K yesterday with Coinbase. Oh, damn, really? That's badass. Hell yeah. Man, I haven't slept since yesterday. I got up at 7 a.m. In like 15 minutes, it's gonna be 24 hours that I've been awake. The things I do for you guys. The things I do for you guys. Nah, I'm just joking. I like trading, so I'm be on here regardless. I'm be on here regardless. Ooh. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I just want to see gold melt, man. See what the Chinese indicator has to say. All right, little strength here for USD. Remember, we don't have we have some USD news at 7:30. So in about 45 minutes, -2, so 43 minutes. Damn. I don't know if I want to be in the trade then, man. I might just close out because shit. I don't like dealing with the news. Oh my, and people think trading is easy. I think it's simple. I don't think it's easy because there's a lot that goes into it, but I think it's simple. And by a lot, I mean, like, what you do on the chart is simple. But what you have to overcome mentally and emotionally, now that's fucking complicated. Because, first of all, we're not all on the same platform, at the same level, at the same like stage emotionally and mentally. You know what I'm saying? Like, some people have higher EQ levels and are really self-disciplined and can create a routine and stick to it. But then you have some people that are all over the place and they don't know nothing about routines, and you know, like, that is more difficult for them, you know. But the thing is at the end of the day, like, I think, you know, what ends up making you a successful trader is being able to find that rhythm and that flow of, you know, coming in and being consistent and, you know, being disciplined, where you're taking trades, where you're being you know, conscious of like your risk management, your trade management, like all you're following your rules, like you're on it like that. If you come into it like that, I think you kind of are ahead of the curve, you know. But not everybody understands. Like, people don't realize how much your mind plays games on yourself. You know. People be like, "Oh yeah, oh, excuse me, just gonna jump in and, oh look, I'm gonna buy it, or I'm gonna sell it, I'm gonna And then there's some people that just get lucky, like those random like trades. Like, if you trade and you get a win, but you can't explain to me like the mechanics or the reasoning behind why you took that trade and how it executed for you, if you can't walk me through your trade, you're not really trading. You're just gambling, you know? And even more, if you can't replicate it, if you can't do it again, it's not, you know, you're one of those random traders, you know? Like, that's not, you're not gonna get nowhere without consistency, you know? That's just my thoughts, but it is what it is. I'm gonna tell you guys what to do, you know? Like Daniel Savage. What about Daniel Savage? I don't know. I mean, I know he trades and I know he wins pretty often. I joined him a couple times on his stream with JP and all of them people in there, but like I'm doing my own stream, so I didn't and like I don't know what time he starts and stuff. Like I just got it a couple times. Monster Face, thanks bro, feeling better now. We keep moving, going strong. Yes sir, man. I mean, I'm here for it, bro. Like, if at the end of the day the only thing you guys get out of this stream is some psychology, some conversation about the way you should be thinking about things, the way you should be approaching things, bro, like I feel good. I feel like I did something, you know what I'm saying? Because like, trust me dude, I've been there multiple times, bro. Like, you know, I've been trading for 6 years, and like the process in which I mean, everybody starts extremely excited to trade, right? You know, you come in with the idea that, oh fuck, I'm about to bank, I'm about to like make some crazy things happen, like, and you know what, like I blame all the other traders out there that are like extremely flashy with their lifestyle, and like, don't get me wrong, you can do that you can make that happen, but that shouldn't be your intent coming into this game. Because especially in a world that has been molded for instant gratification, you know, we got so many things on demand, we got so many things at the tip of our fingers, like, you know, you can connect with someone across the world, like, you know, everything is now. And trading is like, hold up, unless you have the skills, it's not now. You know? And some people don't have that patience, man. But I'm telling you, bro, like, even if you are facing losses, blowing accounts, and feel like giving up and quitting, don't. Because I've been there, and you're gonna regret it. Because literally, I have multiple fucking like homies, like really close people that have tried multiple times to trade or started with me and gave up, and then they're like now looping back around years later, reaching out to me, asking me, oh, can I show them how? And I'm like, dude, like it's hard to like catch you up on many years of everything that I've gone through, you know? The easiest way is by doing these streams and being consistent with the way I do things, and you guys showing up and watching that, seeing how I do things, like do what I do, not what I say. Just come in, see what I do, and do that. You see the consistency, you see me setting up the same setups, you see me trading the same pairs. Like, that's why, like, when I come on to do the live, I do it that way. You know what I'm saying? Because I think that's literally the fastest and best way to become consistent and profitable. And I swear to God, once you become consistent and profitable, like the world opens up to you. You realize how fucking stupid you've been on the way you've been doing things and why you've been losing. You'll be like, fuck, I deserve to have been losing. Like you know, like I don't know, man. It's just something the way I think about things. They use messy charts and stuff. Oh, Daniel Savage is like, yeah, I mean, everybody has their own way of trading and strategies and stuff. Like, I mean, I'm not gonna hate on someone that has like all kinds of things going on, because that's the way they learn how to make their money, like, and if they're winning, like, and making their money that way, like, hey, shit, I'm not worrying about another man's pockets, you know what I'm saying? Like, I got my own pockets and I do my own thing, and I'm not gonna hate on that. He's getting money, Monster FX trading is fucking long journey, bro. Problem is, rich traders flashing. Yeah, bro. Like I would stay away from that kind of shit. Like, unless you're really in tune with yourself, like you have high EQ levels to where that doesn't do nothing for you. Like, I don't see fucking flashy traders and I'm not like, I want to be just like them. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't see that. Like me, I'm like, I want to be as good as I fucking can in this moment on this chart, finding the best fucking setup for me. And I don't care about anybody else or anything else. Like, I don't pay attention to it. Like, sometimes I look at it on Instagram and stuff and I think it's funny, but I'm not, it's not the way I am, But anyways, this thing is playing with our TP1 here. Yeah, when we got like 30 minutes before news, man. We're up like 25 pips. I want to close out, but fuck, I don't want to be in the trade with the news. Let me make sure I send out this message on Telegram. Yeah, I just closed out. I closed out my trades for the gold. Like 30 pips. Hit take profit 1. I used obviously my new strategy, and I don't know if you guys heard my thing closing a bunch of positions. But yeah, I'm out already. See how this plays out. I mean, you guys can easily just put, stops to break even, take partials, whatever you want to do. But I'm out. I just took the 30 pips. But I had like multiple positions open, so I'm not gonna get greedy. Don't get greedy, guys. Don't get greedy. Take your money. Take your money. Anyways, I'm gonna try to be a little bit more active on Telegram to send out some more opportunities. I probably personally won't be like trading all of those opportunities just because you know, I don't like to be, once I like make my bag for the day, I pretty much call it a day till the next day. But I understand that many people like have jobs and are busy or whatever, and they may not catch the trade. Like this gold one, I sent it out like at 4 in the morning. You know, people are in different time zones. People are all over the world. Like some people are asleep. You know, maybe they didn't get to catch it. So and look at look at gold. I closed out and it fucking pulling up. That's crazy. I told you guys. Take your money. Did close TP2. No, it hasn't gone to TP2, bro. But there's news in 29 minutes. And this thing is already pulling up. This could fucking rock you, like spike up and then fall. Like look at this. Forex Factory, guys. You got to be paying attention to this. 7:30 a.m. You got red folders, core retail sales. The forecast is expected to be a lot greater, right? Depending on what the actual happens. Let's say if the actual is greater, so if the actual is greater than forecast, is good for currency, right? So if US dollar goes up, then gold should go down. But the thing is that they could be wrong. It could be bad. If it's less than this forecast, forget about it. Imagine if it's if less than the previous. Shoosh. This thing, you know, well, it'll be bad for US dollar and gold will go up. And it may even just go up, trapping buyers with the news and then just melt. Like I just don't like being in trades during news, especially red folders, man. I've been fucked so many times, dude. And I just don't do it, man. Just do not do it. So yeah, caught a nice little bag. Or try to do this every day if possible. Yeah, bro. I mean, I do Monday through Friday. It's just this week has been weird, bro. My internet was fucking up, and I couldn't stream. And then, like last week, I went out of town after Wednesday's live, so I wasn't able to stream Thursday, Friday. So, like, I missed Thursday, Friday. I came back for Monday. And then I missed Tuesday, Wednesday, and I'm here Thursday. Well, I missed the London session Thursday, but I'm here in New York. Like I try to make it up. Because you know, I know there's a lot of people that need it. You know, like need that guidance, need that to walk through the trade and be able to just listen to someone like speak and walk through the trade. So you can understand the psychology behind it and the reasoning why things are done, you know. But like I said, if for some reason if I'm not streaming, I really try my best to send out a trade idea on the Telegram. So if you're not on Telegram, it's free. The link is in my description. No excuses. Jump in there. And I've called multiple trades out there that hit like crazy profits. So just make sure you're on there and taking advantage of that as well. Good shit, bro. And like I said, I'm gonna try to, like next week, send out, like next week, put up the video for the strategy for the strategy that I'm using for small accounts. So for you guys that, you know, are just working with a couple $100, you know, or maybe even less than that, like use a strategy, man. And then like another thing, guys, like don't underestimate having a small account and only making $10 in a day, or $20 in a day, or $50 in a day, $100 in a day. You know, the way I like to look at it is like, let's say you know, you have a job that pays you $10 an hour, right? And you go work for 8 hours or more. Let's just say it's just a full-time job, 8 hours in a day, $10 an hour. You're gonna make $80, okay? If you make 20, 40, 50, $100 in a day trading with just a couple of hours, guys, you gotta be okay with that, because those $100 days will eventually turn into $500 days, $1,000 days, $5,000 days, $10,000 days, $100,000 days. Trust me, like, it's totally possible and it will happen. But you got to fucking stay focused and disciplined and not worry about the dollar amount. Focus more on the skill. Focus more on how good you can be at trading, not on how much money it makes you. Just be focused on how good you can get with this skill, and the side effect of it is money will be made. You know what I'm saying? Sorry, back, bro. I had a low battery. Oh, welcome back, brother. Welcome back. We closed out, bro. Hit TP1. Oh, I closed out because news is coming up in 23 minutes. I don't want to be anywhere near that, so I took my money, got my little bag, and you know, right now we're just kind of watching this play out. See what happens here. Multi-time frame analysis. Yeah, like what I do is I pick a time frame that I want to enter, but you know, if you go back and look at all my lives, every single live when we jump on, I do top-down analysis, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, set up my zones, 30-minute, look at the 15-minute for possible entries, even the 5-minute sometimes. Like, you know, you're using all of your resources. You know what I'm saying? Look, it pushed up into drawdown now. Damn, good thing I closed that shit out. But I use multiple time frames starting smaller. Oh, okay. Yeah, I like to look at overall movement. Damn, this thing's about to hit the stop loss. Hopefully nobody, I really hope nobody stayed in this motherfucker. We hit take profit 1. I told you guys, should have done something. Look, there it goes. It hit it. Look, it probably just spiked it and it's gonna push down. And that shit is pushing. Crazy. But anyways, like I was saying, I like to do the top-down analysis starting with the weekly, and just really to get a sense of overall direction. But like I said, I do that for the lives for you guys on here, so you guys can recognize routine, discipline, and consistency. Okay? Me personally, I don't need to do that anymore. Like, I'll look at it if I want to, see how things are, but I'm not. This gold trade, I came in here for the first time, got onto the charts. Like, I just saw this set up. These are same levels that I had already marked up, and I already knew what I was gonna do, you know? And I took this quick bag right here. Boom. Yeah, it's pushed up, but even then, like, it's just wicking up, closing below, it continue to fall down. You know what I'm saying? So like, it, with more time and more consistency, you become a lot better at recognizing things right away, and you spend a lot less time doing analysis, you know. But anyways, guys, if you got any value out of the stream, you know, smash the like button. This helps me get a little bit more exposure and, you know, just help as many people as I can. You know, you got to think about the people that will find the channel after the live and will watch it and gain that insight, gain that value, and, you know, be encouraged to continue trading, to continue pushing at it, you know, because I'm sure, you know, if you're at the brink and you just find that one person that you can finally connect with and that's not fucking bullshitting you and giving you some good information, good value, that'll make all the difference, bro. What leverage do you use? I use 1 to 500. I use Hugo's Way. My broker is Hugo's Way, and I actually have a link in the description as well. But that it is an affiliate link, and I think they give me like some kind of kickback. I don't even know. I gotta look into that. I use one, like I said, I use 1 to 500. I think that leverage can work for you and against you. So it's, you know, you want to be careful with that. And I think that, I mean, maybe it matters more with like smaller accounts. But really, like, I don't really even pay attention to the leverage, to be honest, you know. Not anymore. Like maybe when I was starting out and I was trying to do Lambo lots with a $100 account. I was thinking about the leverage, but that didn't work out, and I don't recommend that. And yeah, look at this thing. That thing just fucking flew up. That's about 17 minutes and 20 seconds left for the 30-minute candle, and that would be taking us straight to the news. And I mean, it's projected to be good news for the dollar. So if the dollar is going to go up, gold should come down, right? So what do you guys think? Should I switch to trading New York sessions, or do you guys prefer the London session? What time zones are you guys in? Get a little tired here. And that would have been a nice setup right there. Two. Missed that. Just looking at different charts here, different movements. What do you guys like to trade in the UK? Oh shit, yeah. So like London and New York. London is like morning for you, and New York is late morning, early afternoon, right? The UK. How's the UK doing right now, bro? Like it's fucking. I heard some crazy things like with the whole government and COVID and all that snaz. Damn, look at gold. Gold is flying. Is probably gonna come test this fucking zone up here. I mean, it moves zone to zone. Zone, pull back, retest it. Now it's coming up to here. I wonder how it's gonna react with the news. I'm gonna watch it. Ugh. Good GJ. Yay. You. Girl J. Girl Jappy. Hmm. Trying to see if I can find another setup for you guys, but honestly, it looks like most of these kind of made their move or waiting on this news. You guys like indices at all? Anybody like to trade indices? Trade most indices in gold. Nice. I like US 30. He is a beast. I wonder how I can. Oh, you know what? Maybe. Damn, look at this. You ever trade US 30 on the 1 minute? US 30 and D30. D30 is what is D30? That's like another country's version, right? Is it Denmark or Dutch? Dutch 30. Let's see. Ugh. Yeah, none of these are kind of in the middle of moves right now. GJ, but USD goes down, GBP goes up. Yeah, well, this might be a good buy setup. Let's see what it looks like here. But this thing, I mean, it's been kind of consolidating for a bit. This stuff was from last time. Removing that. I don't need to pay attention to that. Time is at 7:21. We've got 8 minutes. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. There's this big profit 1, 2, 3 I had here. Thing went up 50 something pips, almost 60 pips. Telling you guys, man, I'll be just calling them out. What's that look like? Does that look like a winner? Like 40 pips. 16 pips there. Move it down here. Looks like it's pushing up. We got like 7 minutes. Well, 6.5 for the. Six and a half minutes for the news to hit. And I need to like get some new music because this music is like makes me like want to fall asleep now. Granted, I've been up for 24 hours straight now. I got up like at 7 yesterday. I feel like gold wants to push up, but this news is gonna fucking push it down. Watch. Loading, loading, loading. See what happens. See what happens. Well, we got about a minute and a half left for this news. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I think it's gonna fucking melt, man. Got a minute left. A minute left. It's already pushing down. Ooh. Comes 30 seconds. About 20 seconds. Look, 20 seconds and it's closing below. Shit just wicked up. Took out all the buyers. One second left. Boom, close. Close below. And what is the reports? I mean, this shit is melting. Okay, so this is good. This good. No. I mean, it's positive, but less than expected. Oh, this is like way better than expected. Yeah, gold should fucking fall. It's less. Let's see what this number is. Yeah, gold is pushing down, man. I'm telling you, this news. Oh man, look at the damn numbers. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Okay, so it's way better than expected. So US dollar should be rising and gold should be falling. And this could just be pulling up, trapping all the buyers. Everyone that thinks that it's going up. And then just murdering them. Ooh. This thing like breaking above here, got some room to run. Just don't want to see it close above. We got some time, 15 minute. What do you guys think? Take another sell? Ooh. I wonder if can I add dollar index? Why is the dollar index down? Crazy. It's had really good news. Strength is, ooh, it's down. Crazy. Excuse me. Yeah, you never know how that news is gonna play out. It looks like it's coming back down now, but like I said, it just could have been some crazy spike up. Catch all the buyers, close them all out. Look at that. Boom. Fall. Fall. That thing closed out this position by 12 pips. Almost 13 pips. Pulling up. Guess it just took a minute for the market to process, but coming back down. See what this says now. Oh no, the Chinese indicator. No, still. Oh, you know what I want to see? I still think this is gonna fall. Only problem is now you got these wicks up here. Talking about a 45 pip stop. Not that awesome. Yeah. 45 pip stop because of those wicks. Look, it's just like bouncing in this area. I'm gonna go grab a water, guys. I'll be right back. We're just watching gold right now anyways. Be right back, guys. All right, I'm back. I am back. What are we looking at? What are we looking at? What are we looking at? Gold. What you gonna do, gold? What you gonna do? This thing just came, hit our take profit one, and just completely reversed. We did have some news, and that could have a lot to do with it. Got about 12 minutes left on this 30-minute candle. see, maybe at like 10 minutes we got NYSE open. And then at 9 a.m. we got London close. Damn, Gold, what are you doing? You're gonna go down? You're gonna go up? Oh man. Here it comes, going down. Guys, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Big. Alright guys, I already caught my bag. I'm gonna get some sleep. I'm tired as hell. I've been up for over 24 hours. It's like 6 minutes before 8 o'clock. Try to jump on, give you guys some FaceTime because I've been away. I usually do London session, but I jumped on for New York today. If you're new here, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex Monday through Friday, usually 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time to 3:30 a.m. Central Standard Time London session. I'll be back tomorrow, or tonight I should say. Either way, I hope you guys have a blessed day. Hope you guys learned something, got some value. If you did, please sorry, I just blinked. I was looking at this price. But if you got any value out of this, please consider subscribing, clicking the notification bell so you're notified when I go live, and smashing the like button. It'll help me get some exposure, help as many people as I can. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.